And that thing is sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 42 and 42 is 84. That's a 24-inch bar. Whatchamacallit? Chain. He's got the chart to put up. They used to have in a small engine shop, but I didn't know that. Or I would have put that up a while ago. I'm kind of in a hurry today. Running late to start this tree job. I'm trying to rush, which need to slow it down and chill for a second so I don't fuck something up. After you count out the first chain with the amount of drive links that you need for that size chain, you can use that first chain as like a reference chain, and if you're making multiple ones, just lay it down or hold it side by side and cut one the exact same length. And if you're going to do a longer chain, just count out the extra drive links you need from what you already have. Normally I can just hold them and gauge them up side by side like that. Apparently not today. Get the kinks out. Should always paint both sides, because if not, you'll be looking at the wrong side like I keep doing. This don't even make sense. I mean, is this thing worn out? Like, this shit is going on here. Just won't cut that for some reason. Yeah, 105 links. 32. 105 links. 32. This is 84. My marker. This is 84 to there. So 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105.
You pretty girl. Where's your crazy sister at? Now I guess I should look it up and see what the dealer price
Yeah, see,
is.
that seems like it fits way better.
And what the you know how many thousands of chains, especially that 3/8 had been through that slut, you'd be wore out too.
It just was aggravating. Oh shit, wait.
And that point,
It looks
that
bad.
point, they get wore
It
and
looks
they
bad.
and there's a couple different styles of them, and that's the old one, and it's hard to get that one.
It looks bad.
And
but it
I don't
should be
think I
bad.
got the right one, but I did buy new ones for it.
Yeah, that holds it way better.
Might have to take one and grind it and make it work. It makes a difference if it fits and it held securely. A lot of people had trouble with machines anyhow. Some tried to punch one rivet out and then tried to break it apart. But you gotta punch them both out.
Yeah. I'm having trouble getting it to come straight.
You gotta get it perfectly centered because there's very little leadway where that center of that hole is in the tie strap.
It kept getting stuck in there, like the drive link.
Yeah. And there's different sizes like these here bushings in here. I just gotten so I just used the one for all of them. It worked out fine. The rivet spinner. I'm still changing them all the time. I think there's 3 different sizes of them.
Yeah, that is a million times better.
Yeah.
Bro, I was getting aggravated with that last one.
Probably the shoulders is wore off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. What's 52 times 2 is
104.
104, and then there's one here. So yeah.
They're like $100 a piece.
I mean, it's still cheaper than buying the chain, I'm sure. Or buying, in the long run, it's still cheaper.
The small mini 3/8 is where you run into problems with those is real hard to handle if they're a little bit worn. And if that punch in that anvil is blunted off, that is a little more difficult. Would make it nice.
But we really don't go through chains like that. We got a couple 28s in there. And this would be 2 32s and 2 24s. And I guess that's just how every one of these chains is gonna fall.
Huh?
Every one of these chains is gonna fall like that with the two cutters side by facing the same way. The cutter. But some of them ones you bought, like for the 550, they're like that too.
I can't really do nothing about it except maybe cut another link out.
Yeah, I ain't going through all that. Alright, last one here. So, you make sure you put the little train thingy facing down. And, one side, it does kind of go one way. But, anyhow, put it on like that. Make sure the chain don't have any kinks in it to start out life. And you get it down in that groove and you just tighten it up and spin it. I do a little bit at a time so I don't over tighten them, and then they'll be stiff. So I go back and forth, but Tighten this one up a little bit more. And that's it. That's how you do it.